Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, as you guys can see here, the market was falling continuously from the couple of days, and the last trading day, that is on yesterday, that is on 25th of Jan, it has started to give a recovery. So you can see here the market is in a good support level. So if the market continues to recover, okay, so we have some good support level stocks in our list. So I'm telling you those stocks which are in a good support level and which might go up from here. So guys, note this video is only for educational purpose. I'm not telling you to invest in this stocks. What I'm telling you now, it's only for observation purpose, okay, and you can make a use of it if you're interested. Okay, so I'm going to show you the stocks, and not only that, I'm going to talk a little bit about the market also. Okay, so guys, right now as you guys can see here, the market has actually gone down from here. It has made a high of 18350, and from there it has come down, and from here it is taking a support, and here you can see a good green candle has formed on 25th of Jan. Okay, so right now this is how the market situation is. But if you see the SGX Nifty, so SGX Nifty is a Singapore Nifty, so which is almost correlative, I can say, to the Nifty 50. Okay, so even this market was also falling, and yesterday it has given a recover, and today, as it's a Republic Day, we don't have a market in our Indian market, but SGX Nifty is running today, and it's 0.67% down. It's trading at 17,149. So why I am showing you this? Because you can take a rough idea about how the Nifty will be for the next day by seeing this. Okay, so it will not always happen like that, but you can take a rough idea. Okay, so that's why I'm showing you this. So right now it's trading like 0.69% down, so we can expect the market to open in the next day, I mean on 27th of Jan, to go down and then come up also. Okay, but we can see it once this SGX Nifty closes. So once the SGX Nifty closes today, then we can come to know how the market will be there for us for tomorrow. Okay, so now let me talk about the stock what I have picked. Okay, so I'll be showing you the three stocks which are in a good quality level, and they're good quality stocks also. They're in a good support level, so I'll be showing you about that. And guys, before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel will be amazing. And also, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, and from today, if you guys wish to make consistent profit and want to learn a good techniques which are very simple, and just by spending only 15 to 20 minutes per day, if you guys wish to earn profit, and also just with a capital of minimum 5 to 10,000, you can make up to 1,000 per day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit and want to stop your losses from today and want to learn good accurate strategies, you can join my course now. So I'll be telling you my course details now. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1,000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also, I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, as by being said that, now let me show you the three stocks which are at a good support level and which are the quality stocks. So the first one is Bharti Airtel. So guys, Bharti Airtel, as you guys can see here, okay, so this stock had made an high of almost here, that is 734.75, and from there, as the market was falling, so from here as the market was falling, it has taken a good support here at almost 688, somewhere around here. Okay, so it has taken a support, and you can see on 25th it has made a good bullish candle with a good volume. So if this can take a support here, and this stock can go a bit up, okay, it can touch almost 730 again. Okay, so here, as you guys can see, this is a resistance level. Okay, so let me just draw it. Okay, so this is a resistance level where it is 732, so it can touch again that level. Okay, so if you are looking for any of a quick swing trade or a positional trade, you guys can concentrate on this stock. So I'm not telling you to invest on this. You can make your own research before investing. I'm just telling you the quality stocks according to my research, what I've done. So I found it this are in a good support level. Okay, and now I'll tell you the second stock. So guys, the second stock is a Reliance. As you can see in the same thing, the Reliance was almost here, almost 2567 was a high, and it came back to 2357. Okay, so from here to here it has came down, and now we can see a green candle has come, but this should go above the support line. Okay, so this should form above here. So if a good green candle is forming above this candle line, that is about 2388. So if you see a good candle forming above 2388, and if a stock takes support from here, then the stock has the ability to go up from here. And keep in mind guys, if the market also goes bullish, then the stock will also go bullish, or if the market continues to falls down, even the stocks might also fall down. So you should always see to the market also. Okay, so I'm telling the stocks are in a support, and it might go up if the market recovers. Okay, so if the market recovers, you guys can keep an eye on these three stocks, which are good quality stocks, what I'm telling you. Okay, if the market continues to go down, the stocks might also go down. And now let's talk about the third stock, that is Hdfc Bank. So guys, Hdfc Bank, you can see here, so this stock was almost here at 2630, and now it has come back and made a low of 2474, and on 25th of Jan it has given a good recovery from here. Okay, so it has formed a good green candle, but the actual support level is down here. Okay, so around 2345 somewhere is the actual support level, but from here this stock might go up is what I'm feeling. So let's see how it will perform in next upcoming days. If the market is going up, so this stock has a good potential to go up almost like 200 to 300 points up it can go. Okay, so from here if it takes a support, it can go up, or it can come down a bit, touch this support line what you guys are seeing here, and from here it can go up is what I am feeling. Okay, so this is about the Hdfc Bank, Reliance and Bharti Airtel guys. So you guys can keep it in your watch list if you wish to invest, and before you invest, make your own research. Okay, and this is only for education purpose, and these are the quality stocks in my list what I'm observing right now. Okay, so if the market goes up, these are the stocks which will go up also is what I am feeling personally. So guys, these are the stock in my watch list, and if you guys like this video, and if you guys want to get more of a video like this, do give a like for this video and subscribe to my channel, and do support my channel. And also, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us now. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading, so you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.